In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a welcome flow Shopify Klaviyo. A welcome flow is the automated email sequence that starts the moment someone new joins your list. It is one of the most important flows you can build because it introduces your brand, sets expectations, and guides subscribers toward a first purchase. In Klaviyo, you can build this quickly by starting from a proven template and then turning it on. To begin, look at the left-hand navigation menu in Klaviyo and click Flows. This takes you to the area where all your automated sequences live, including welcome series, abandoned cart, and post-purchase flows. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This opens the Flow library, where Klaviyo provides ready-made templates designed for common e-commerce situations. Using a template helps you move faster and avoid missing key pieces. Now, choose a template from the library. A typical choice is a welcome series template. Templates may look slightly different depending on your account, but the goal is the same. You want a welcome flow that sends a first message immediately and then follows up with additional emails. After selecting your template, you will see a setup modal. Here you will select a trigger. The trigger is what starts the flow, usually when someone subscribes to your email list. Make sure you pick the trigger that matches how you collect subscribers, such as a newsletter sign-up or a specific list tied to your Shopify forms. Once the trigger is selected, click Use Template to enter the flow builder. You are now on the canvas, where you can see the full sequence laid out visually. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct flow and that the trigger looks right, because this determines who enters the welcome series. When you are ready to activate it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. This opens the status options. From the dropdown, select Live. Live means new subscribers will start receiving the flow according to the timing set in the template. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. At this point, your welcome flow is officially running and new subscribers can enter it automatically. That covers everything you need to know.